Today I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Backup and Sync to automatically back up important files on your computer, as well as how to use Google Drive FileStream to open and edit non-Google files stored in your drive using your computer without the hassle of uploading, downloading, or syncing. To get started, open up Chrome, then download and install Google Backup and Sync for Windows. I've included the URL in the video description. There's also a client for Mac OS if you're a Mac user. Once the installation is complete, follow the prompts and sign into the Google account you want your computer to sync with. Step 2, titled My PC, allows you to select which folders you want to back up to Google Drive from your computer. By default, desktop, documents, and pictures are backed up. This is where I keep all my important stuff anyway, so I'm just going to leave the defaults. Now that backups are configured, step 3 is where you can set up syncing. By default, all of your files in Google Drive will be synced to your computer. My files in Google Drive would take up more than all the available space I have on my hard drive, so I can't use sync in this capacity. There are options to sync only specific folders, but the majority of my data stored in Google Drive are files that I don't need to be able to access on a day-to-day basis. And with Drive FileStream, which we'll be installing next, I'll be able to stream all my files directly to my computer, so I don't need to keep a synced copy of these files on my PC. I'm just going to turn off syncing altogether. I've finished configuring the application. It's represented by the cloud icon in my system tray. You can click this icon to see your file activity. Now let's take a look at Google Drive in our browser to make sure all of our files are there. You'll notice a new heading in the left column called Computers. Inside, you'll find an entry for your computer containing the folders you told the program to back up for you. As you can see here, the Word document from my desktop has a backup of it inside the corresponding desktop folder on my drive. The files and folders from my other backed up locations show up here as well. Google Drive Backup and Sync will track changes you make to your files on your PC and automatically update your files in the cloud. I'm going to make a new file on my PC in one of the backed up folders. Google Drive Backup and Sync will detect the new file and upload it to the cloud automatically. When I delete a file from my PC that is backed up in the cloud, the application will prompt me to delete the backup copy as well if I desire. Now let's take a look at Drive FileStream. It's important to note that at the time of this video, Drive FileStream is not available for personal Google accounts. It only works with institutional accounts like Google Apps for Education or Google Apps for Work accounts. First, I'll need to download and install the Drive FileStream application. Once complete, I'll need to sign into my Google account. Then I'll need to give permission to the application to access my files. A new map drive called Google Drive FileStream will be listed under my computer. Think of this as a virtual flash drive. When you open this drive, you'll see both My Drive and Team drives. You can access both from here. Upon opening My Drive, you will discover all the files stored in your Google Drive. Opening a non-Google document, in this case a PowerPoint file, allows the file to be edited and saved using the copy of PowerPoint on my computer. All of my changes are saved directly to Drive, without any uploading or downloading on my part. And the best part is, the files aren't taking up any space on my computer. If I open any of the native Google documents, they will be open in a web browser, just as they would if you open them using the Google Drive web interface. I now have automatic backups of all the important files from my PC using Google Drive Backup and Sync, as well as easy access to all of the files I have stored in Drive using Drive FileStream. If you have any questions about this process, please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.